So I just finished building my screen porch here, and I wanted to show what I did here for my windows. These are, as you can see, huge windows that open, and I'm going to go inside and I'm going to show you what I used because I just love this solution. It's inexpensive, and I've never really looked around, but I haven't seen anybody do anything like this before. So we're going to go inside here, and again, so now you see the inside, and if you look up at the top, you're going to see a door cylinder, a closer. So what I bought, I was looking for large windows, top to bottom. These are 36 by 80 screen storm doors. Storm doors, not screen doors. They're what they call full view storm doors. These ones are made by Larson. These are Larson Tradewinds doors. I could not be happier. So what I did was I installed them as if they were windows. So I couldn't buy a storm window or any type of screen window for this porch that was even close to this price. These were on sale, and I'm talking Canadian dollars. These were on sale at Lowe's Rona Plus for $350, 36 by 80, these doors. So I put them in, and I love these doors because the screen goes up, and as the screen closes, or as the window, you close the screen rolls up into the top of the door. So you have a perfectly clear window with no screen in behind. That's one of the things I love about it. What I did was I actually installed the latch internally. I wasn't going to at all. I was literally going to screw them shut. So I installed the latch but did not drill it right through, so I don't have a way to open it from the outside, which I didn't want. However, I can put a screwdriver or a hex key in there, and if for some reason I had to open these windows slash doors, I can just unlatch it and swing it open if I had something big I wanted to bring into the porch. I put these wooden shelves across at the height I did to prevent two things: small kids from running into the glass, and from a chair from being backed up into the glass. I have screens on the rest of the area, but over here I installed a 34 by 80 door, and this is an actual door that we use as a door. But anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there and show you how this works because again, I couldn't find anything even close to the size in windows, and when I priced custom made windows, it was a far cry. So again, very reasonable, and we love them. They've done a great job. Anyway, hope somebody finds that useful if you're doing something and are looking for large windows for a screened-in area.